Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to get a loan from Bybit. Bybit's crypto loans lets you borrow funds using crypto as a collateral without needing to sell your assets. This is helpful if you want liquidity while still holding your coins long term. First thing first, log in to your Bybit account at bybit.com. From the navigation bar, select Finance, then Crypto Loans. Under All Products, browse available assets and loan types. Just click Borrow on the chosen loan option. Fill in loan details such as loan amount, collateral type and amount. For fixed loans, set your desired interest rate and duration, and optionally enable auto repay to repay automatically at settlements. Just review everything carefully, then confirm your loan. Just a tip, always keep your LTV ratio healthy to avoid going too high to reduce liquidation risk. VIP users enjoy higher borrowing limits and better rates, and also enable auto repay if you want a hands-off approach. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more Bybit tutorials on our channel, and I'll see you next time.